With the tallest mountain in Vietnam behind me, come with me to hike to Thac Tinh Yeu Waterfall in Sapa. So it cost us 70,000 each to get in, and it's most definitely too cold for a dip today, unless Jack's feeling...
Nope.
No? Not even feeling a little bit intrigued?
No.
Okay. And after 15 minutes of walking, we've arrived at the waterfall. It's definitely too cold to jump in, but if you're in Sapa, it's a 15-minute walk. It costs 70,000, which is about £2.84, and the views are unreal. It's a gorgeous hike. It's well worth doing.